How Nvidia uses AI in manufacturing and operations. Executive summary. Nvidia leverages AI to revolutionize industrial manufacturing and internal operations. Through the Omniverse platform, they create digital twins that allow companies to simulate entire factories virtually. Their Isaac robotics platform provides autonomous machines with advanced perception and reasoning. Furthermore, tools like cuLitho accelerate the complex semiconductor manufacturing process. Internally, Nvidia's AI planner optimizes supply chains, significantly reducing delays. These innovations collectively increase productivity, enhance worker safety, and promote sustainable industrial practices. Article: Nvidia has changed from a gaming company into a leader of the industrial world. They do not just make chips for video games anymore. They now provide the brains for modern factories and warehouses. Nvidia uses artificial intelligence, AI, to make manufacturing faster and safer. They also use it to manage their own massive global operations. This transformation relies on three main tools: digital twins, smart robotics, and advanced math. The power of digital twins. Nvidia uses a platform called Omniverse to create digital twins. A digital twin is a perfect virtual copy of a real factory. These models use real physics to mimic the world. Engineers can test new layouts in the computer before they move a single machine. For example, BMW uses Omniverse to plan its car factories. They simulate how 57,000 workers move alongside thousands of robots. By testing in a virtual world, companies avoid expensive mistakes. They can find design flaws early. They can also train AI models for robots in these simulations. This process is much faster than training in the real world. Digital twins allow factories to be simulation native. This means the factory exists in software before it exists in bricks and mortar. Smart robotics and automation. Nvidia's Isaac platform helps robots see and understand their surroundings. Traditional robots only follow fixed paths. AI-powered robots can adapt to changes. Nvidia uses GPU-accelerated tools to give robots vision. These robots can identify parts even if they are messy or tilted. Nvidia also develops humanoid robots. These robots can perform tasks designed for humans. They use physical AI to learn how to move safely. This technology helps robots navigate crowded warehouses without hitting people. It also allows them to pick up fragile items with the right amount of force. Making better chips with AI. Manufacturing the chips themselves is incredibly hard. As chips get smaller, the math becomes nearly impossible for normal computers. Nvidia created a tool called cuLitho to solve this. This software uses AI to speed up the design of chip patterns. Nvidia works with partners like TSMC and Samsung to use this tech. It speeds up the process by 40 times. Tasks that once took 2 weeks now finish overnight. This efficiency allows Nvidia to create more powerful chips every year. It also reduces the power needed to run these massive calculations. Streamlining global operations. Nvidia does not just help other companies. They use AI to run their own business better. Their AI planner tool manages a complex global supply chain. This system uses math to predict demand for their products. It also tracks where parts are located across the world. Nvidia's AI planner has achieved incredible results. It reduced delayed orders by over 80%. It also made strategic planning much faster. A task that used to take 5 days now takes only 1. This speed allows Nvidia to grow quickly without losing control of its inventory. Safer and sustainable workplaces. AI also makes factories safer for people. Nvidia uses Metropolis, an AI vision system, to monitor work zones. The system can detect if a worker is not wearing safety gear. It can also spot if a person enters a dangerous area. These tools also help the environment. AI optimizes how machines use power. It finds the most efficient routes for delivery trucks. This reduces waste and saves energy. By using digital twins, companies also reduce the materials wasted during testing. Manufacturing comparison. Traditional versus AI-driven. Nvidia's technology shifts the industrial world from static processes to dynamic learning systems. The table below highlights how AI changes the standard approach to making goods. Feature: traditional manufacturing, AI-driven, Nvidia, manufacturing, planning. Engineers use 2D drawings and static blueprints. Engineers use Omniverse digital twins for 3D simulation. Robot training. Humans program robots with rigid, fixed code. Robots learn through Isaac via reinforcement learning. Error detection. Workers manually inspect parts for flaws. Metropolis, AI cameras detect defects instantly. Supply chain. Managers use spreadsheets to predict demand. AI Planner uses deep learning for real-time tracking. Facility changes. Moving machines requires weeks of downtime. Simulations test changes virtually before moving hardware. Safety. Signs and railings prevent accidents. AI identifies safety risks and stops machines automatically. Key advantages. The shift to AI-driven operations offers several major benefits. Reduced risk. Digital twins prevent expensive physical errors. Speed. AI software like cuLitho finishes weeks of work in hours. Flexibility. Robots can handle different tasks without being rebuilt. Do you have trouble finding information in your company? You know it's in there somewhere. You just can't find it. Search fails when you use the wrong key words. You can't ask questions like you can with Chrome or Edge. I can help you solve that problem. Contact me for a free 30-minute consultation. If you get value from these blogs, please consider joining my Patreon as a member at the $2, $4, or $8 level.